Now in this video we're going to look at parallel and perpendicular lines. The slope of a line is very convenient for determining whether two lines are parallel or two lines are perpendicular. Let's look at parallel first. If two distinct non-vertical lines are parallel, that means that their slopes are equal. Now the best way to do this is put the equations of the line in slope-intercept form and then compare their slopes. Let's do some examples. Parallel lines. Are those two lines up there parallel? Well, the first one was already in the proper form. The second one, we need to do a little algebra on it and get it in the proper form. Remember, you can always stop the video and take a look at what I've done. M is 2 in both cases, so those two lines are parallel. Let's do another example. Let's write an equation parallel to y equals 3x minus 7 that goes through the point 2, 3. All right, we know the slope is 3. To be parallel, the slope of the other line needs to be 3. So we're going to just substitute it in. 3 equals 3 times 2 plus b. And we get that b is minus 3, and we've got our line. Now let's talk about perpendicular. They're always harder, because for two lines to be perpendicular, their slopes have to be negative reciprocals, and it's real easy to get mixed up with your negative reciprocals. Let's look at an example here. Their slopes must be negative, so if one is 2, the other one's going to be minus 1/2. If one is minus 2/3, the other one has to be 3/2. Think about that. Let's do some examples. Are these perpendicular? Well, the first one's easy. The slope is 3/2. We got to put the next one in slope-intercept form. So here we go. 3y equals minus 2x plus 21. Let's divide by 3. So y equals minus 2/3 plus 7. M is minus 2/3. Aha! They're negative reciprocals. So the lines are perpendicular. Wow, we did good on that one. Let's go for another one. Let's write an equation. Okay, first of all, the slope of that first line is minus 1/2. What's the slope of the perpendicular going to have to be? You're right. It has to be 2. We have a point. We have a slope. So we're going for our good old point-slope method. 8 equals 2/3 plus b. Do some quick arithmetic. B equals 2. And so the line that we're looking at is y equals 2x plus 2. M equals 2, and those slopes are negative reciprocals, so we're in good shape. Look at this example again if you haven't quite figured it out.